The last topic of 10.3 is classifying conics. So we're going to be given some of these equations of graphs in ax squared plus by squared plus dx plus dy plus f equals 0. But you really don't have to look at all of them. All you gotta look for is the leading coefficient or the coefficient for the x squared term and the coefficient for the y squared term. If they are exactly the same, then you're looking at a circle. So look. If they are the same, exactly the same, then you're looking at a circle. If they have the same sign, they may be different numbers, but if they have the same sign, then we're looking at an ellipse. If they have opposite sign, one is positive, one is negative, then we're looking at a hyperbola. And if one of them is missing, if x squared term is missing or y squared term is missing, then you're looking at a parabola. I'm going to give you some examples of these, okay? So I got this flow chart right here, but I'm going to jump right into the examples. Now look at this. Look at this. Now they do have one more thing to do. They want us to classify them and also find either the center or vertex. So identifying part will be easy. Now, find the A and B. A is the coefficient for x squared term. A is what? -2. What is B? B is, also -2. Because A and B are the same, we're looking at a circle. So we're done with for the first part. We identified what it is. Now the next part requires some rewriting. Okay, we're gonna have to rewrite it to find the center of this circle, but I'll come back and do those actually in another video. In this video, I just want to talk about how to classify them. Okay, so let's go look at the next one. Now highlight the A, which is the number in front of x squared. So A is -16. And what's the B value? B is -4. Well, this is not going to be a circle this time because these two numbers are different. But I'm going to say that they have the same sign. So if A and B have the same sign, what do we have over here? We have an ellipse. Okay? So for ellipse, we're going to be finding them the center. All right, let's look at part C. What do we have? I'm going to highlight the A, which is x, equals 4. A is 4 and B is -16. Not only that they are not the same, I mean they're different. This is not a circle, but they're not even an ellipse because this is not even an ellipse because the signs are opposite. So we're going to say opposite sign. And when A and B have opposite sign, you're looking at a hyperbola. Okay, let's look at the last example, D. I was about to write down A and B. I got my A. A is -3. But where is B at? B is not there. You notice there's no y squared term. There's no y squared term. So B is 0, okay? And this, whenever you only have one of the x or y squared, this is a parabola. So just wanted to make a quick video on how to just look at A and B, okay? If they are exactly the same, then you're looking at a circle. And the numbers must not only have the same sign, but also the same numerical value. So that was a circle. Example B, they were different, but at least they got the same sign, right? So if they have the same sign, we're looking at an ellipse. Now, if they have opposite signs, one positive and one negative, we're looking at a hyperbola. And the last one, when y squared was missing or x squared is missing, when you only have one of the x squared or y squared, then you're looking at a parabola. I'm going to pause this video and then I'm going to start another one on how to find vertex and center of these conics.